Yo, is that a fucking titty?
No, hey, stop. We are out here with
Oh, my name.
her name. We're here with
Mochi.
Mochi. Hi, nice to meet you, Mochi.
Cubikaze, but for today I am Cubico.
Cubico. All right, guys. Do you eat ass?
Can you get like 3 feet away? Maybe. Yeah, that's good.
And the question, I know your friend went on everyone's mind all the way up to 2016 is, do you eat ass? No. Do you eat ass?
I hate jelly.
Do you eat ass?
Who doesn't?
Is that the new thing? Is that like tossing salad?
You're disgusting. I hate it. Thank you. Wow.
What's your favorite hentai?
You're disgusting.
There we go. Are you out here eating ass?
Gets on top of it.
Hey, that's what's up, Kimochi boy. All right, what are you cosplaying as today?
Today I am No Sweet Soldier from Love Live.
All right, do you eat ass?
I do.
As a cosplayer, I gotta ask, do you eat ass?
No, I can't say I do.
Can't.
Just ask it.
I got a burning question in everyone's mind. Do you eat ass?
It's 2018, who doesn't eat ass?
That is my motherfucking man. Let me get my number. I heard you eat ass, so I'm gonna get this over here. Stop the camera. Would you guys go through with it if you found out that girl was a trap?
If it's worth it. If you, what was it? If you just keep in your mind that like,
I mean, a hole is a hole is a hole, right?
true.
Yeah, you know.
$20 is $20.
I'm not gay with $20. $20. Have you ever thought of like when you have a trap and just kind of like reaching around and pretending it went all the way through?
Better give me a good time.
Think about it like that. Like you could just like you would feel like you're massive.
True.
Yeah.
True.
That would work. The biggest question on everyone's mind, 2016, all the way to 2018. You eat ass?
Depends
On the ass?
on the quality of the ass and what the ass is on.
Okay, so not the quantity. You would eat like a lot of quality asses. All right. Do you eat ass? Clean the booty, guys. Clean the booty. Eat this. I'm shunning you. Good. I love you. Do you eat ass?
No, I don't.
They don't eat ass. We're done, man. I'm not interested in where they don't eat ass. Do you guys eat ass? Every now and then. You know? Fake shit, man. I gotta know. Do you guys eat ass?
What?
See, I love couples cosplays because I already feel really alone, but then I come and see these guys and I realize, wow, I'm really alone. Do you eat ass?
Dude, like groceries, man. Come on. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Go to like the Safeway, just like pile it all in. Yeah, ass everywhere. You guys eat ass?
No.
Assorted vegetables when we have dinner, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
So like more than just the whole salad. You like that? That's weird, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
All him.
So you don't eat ass?
No.
You don't eat ass?
No, I'm
I'm so sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Do you eat ass?
No, but I'm pretty sure my boyfriend will.
We heard the word boyfriend. We're out. Oh my God, we're out here. It's my man. We gotta know. Do you eat ass? Out here, boys. Jeff. I gotta ask you real shit though. Real shit, man. Real shit. Tell it to the camera right now. Do you eat ass?
Unfortunately, no.
We're out. No, he doesn't eat ass, man. And cut the interview. We're out.
I just wanna